kasi, I don't know, I'm just so happy and grateful for each and everyone na pumunta dito. And for those who couldn't come, still love you guys. Hindi na. Thank you so much. My heart is just so full. I don't know what to say. Thank you, Mommy, Baba, and my sisters. Ate Ika for my hair. Sinabi lahat. Ate Ina for the jewelry, radiant locks. Charlie for my face. Charlie for my makeup. Charlie Nino. Dino. Ayun. Thank you everyone for the gifts and everything, for the kind words, and just for the effort of coming here. I love you all. Thank you everyone. Party, party.
All right.